Here's the story of one of the largest manufacturers of home appliances and their quest for quality and reliability. Let's dive into how they partnered with Soothsayer to transform their vision-based inspection process with the power of AI. The manufacturer's existing proprietary inspection system was inaccurate and expensive. This led to false alarms and wasted labor effort. Employees did not trust the existing solution, which resulted in poor adoption. We assessed their existing model and replaced it with a deep learning model with superior performance in detecting multiple types of faulty assemblies. With better data collection and improved model diagnostics, we provided a clearer picture of the inspection system's effectiveness. But that was just the beginning. Soothsayer knew the client needed a future-ready big data architecture. So, we conducted a thorough assessment and designed a cloud-based end-to-end big data architecture to train, deploy, and use the AI application in production. Our design ensured reliable real-time data streaming of images and sensor data into a central repository. We built a versatile storage solution, accommodating various data formats and ensuring high performance to meet today's goals and tomorrow's challenges. Soothsayer created a notebook-based development workflow for scalable AI model training and deployment. To enhance visibility, we included dashboarding and search tools, giving the client easy access to their data and models. With our vision-based AI inspection and state-of-the-art big data architecture, the client's manufacturing process has seen a remarkable transformation. Soothsayer's defect detection solution is more accurate, leading to better product quality and employee morale.